I can't imagine that's going to taste good for much longer. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jason Purcell here. I guess I'm not done with the dollar store because I was cleaning out my car and I guess these fell out of the bag when I went to the dollar store the first time. Warheads, extreme sour minis, ages 4 and up. We're good. Before we go in on these, we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm not just going to take them out of the package one at a time and eat them. Are you kidding me? We're going to play Warhead Roulette. I've got some dice here and another camera set up over here. Whatever number comes up on the dice is how many warheads I'm going to eat. The stipulation is I have to eat them. Why did I make coffee? First roll. Alright, we start right in the middle. 6. We got 6. I'm gonna have 6. Okay, don't get so excited. Here you go. Ready? Oh my god. I thought that bad. Oh god. Oh no. What really sucks about this whole experience is I'm never just gonna get one. Okay, let's do it again. Next one. Next one. They're kind of good after they stop hurting you. Next roll. Come on, 2. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I got a blue one that time. Oh, I missed. Oh my god. Why is this one so much worse? Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh wow. Oh. Yeah. All the salt is on my lips. It's on my lips. Oh god. Oh, coffee is not good. Coffee is not good, Patrick. Coffee is not good. Is this funny at all? My eyes are watering. Big bucks, no whammies. 10. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count them out, you. Oh my god. You'd think you'd get used to it after a while. But you don't. I'm trying to work on that. Focus. Oh. Ow! I bit my tongue. Oh. Oh, I'm sweating. I physically am sweating. I'm sweating. This was a shitty idea. Oh. I forgot the coffee was bad. I forgot. Oh, it makes the coffee taste like garbage. How many are left? Oh, thanks for joining me on this one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. I make new videos every single week. Also, hit me up on TikTok, Jason Purcell 5. I'm having a lot of fun in that app. Check out my QR code right over. It's not over there. It's over here. I did that right now because I'm not going to be able to when I do this. How many are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh no! No, I don't want to lose one. Oh god. See ya. Bye guys. How is that enjoyable to anyone? How is that enjoyable to anyone?